Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been making mixed media whimsical houses like crazy. I just find them so cute and fun. So I'm just gonna do a few on camera. So for these, they would be awesome. Let me see if I can grab a journal. Oops, upside down here. So it'd be awesome in a journal pocket. And then you can write on the back. You could probably glue one down and use it as a tuck, but send them in Happy Mail. Just oogle over them because they're so cute. Kind of whatever you want to do with them. I don't always have a reason for stuff. I just like to make stuff that's cute and fun and whimsical. So I've added some sewing to some of them. You know, it's not necessary, but it's just for the look. So I'll show you these again at the end of the video. Let's get started. All right, so you'll just need any papers. It doesn't have to be mixed media. I'm just doing mixed media-ish today, I guess. You could use literally any kinds of paper. And I'm using file folder that I glue them to. So, and then I'm using Collage Fodder as the decorations on some. So, you know, I have a whole Collage Fodder playlist. I will link that below if you're new here. It's basically making these, you know, these painted pieces or marker pieces, whatever. Collage Fodder's sort of interchangeable with ephemera. So it's making those fun pieces, flowers, yeah. So I'm using some of my handmade pieces. I've just gathered a few from my bin. Oh, and I punched some stars. So, yep. Let me cut this down. Just make it easier to work on, and I'll be back. Okay, so my base, of course, is file folder. You can use any base you want. I just think it helps to have something to glue it to. You'll see how I do it. You know, there's whimsical houses on the internet. But this is just my method. Let's see. I'm gonna do my typical because that's just what I want to do on camera. It's just easier. I do my triangle roof. And I just think they're super cute. All right, so there's my roof. And then I just pick a base. Usually, I try to do a base that's not as busy, like I guess the tree trunk. But you can do whatever, of course. I also use whatever I have. I just kind of scrounge. So you'll see in a sec. I grab some buttons, some trim, because I just think it's so cute to add. I gotta see how I want this to be. That works. All right, so this is how I get it onto the base of here. I just glue this down. I find this to be super easy this way because you're just kind of working from, you'll see it. I don't know how to put it into words. All right. And if you're sewing, these don't have to be super glued, but if you're not, make sure all your corners and everything are glued really well. Okay, let's see. How did I forget you guys? Merry Christmas. Hello, it's Christmas. What are you guys up to today? I don't think anyone's gonna see this today. It's okay. I just had some time to record and I was excited about making these. So you can either add, let's see, let me find one. You can add a chimney like that, no chimney, or you can use Collage Fodder as the chimney. That's what I've been kind of going back and forth. So I just kind of play with what would look good on there. Let's see. Nope. I think this one might be, I kind of think that goes. And then I might do some yellow rickrack. Oh, I didn't cut it long enough. Let's see. Or Ooh, I'm gonna do that. Probably, I don't know. I just play around. I grab buttons, you know, maybe make a doorknob with a button, which is kind of cute. I might do that. But I cut this out first before I do the decorating. If I'm doing a chimney, I put it on now, like the square rectangle chimney, whatever, so I can cut with this back part. But I'll cut this out and I'll be back. Okay, so it's cut out now. Now is when, oh, well, if I was going to put this on, I could add the back to it, like glue it first, but it really, honestly, I usually sew around the border, so adding this on now is completely fine because my stitch goes right through the middle of this, as you'll see like here. But if you wanted, you could glue this part on to the file folder so it also gets a backing. But these pieces I made are with watercolor paper, so they're super thick. Anyways, not necessary. But I'm going to add this trim. Or I grabbed just, a few trims. Nope. So let's do that. And you can add doors, windows. You can mark make with your, paint pens. I've done all the above. I'm going to try to make this video fairly short. It is Christmas. I have things to do, but I did want to record this because I've been making these last night and just having so much fun. And if you're done with Christmas and you're bored, you got something to do here. I think I might put that button on as the door. It could even be the window technically, but I think I'm going to put it, where should I put it? I mean, it could be the window. I have other buttons. Let's see. Nope, I really like this one. Mr. That's Henry. He says Merry Christmas. It's my black lab. If you're new here. Everybody knows Henry. That's familiar with my channel. So I'm going to put this. Oops. And that's Sister. I'll get that extra glue off once it dries. It'll peel right off. Hold on. Let's have a Christmas cookie, even though we've had a million. Okay. So this one won't be able to go in the sewing machine because that big old button, but that's fine. Another thing, sometimes I do, well, like I said, with like mark making tools, I might just do a little dashy border with my gold. They're whimsical, so have fun with it. I'm trying to decide if I have room for a window there. If I'm drawing a window, I'll show you quick so that if you want to make your own window, I gotta find something to cut. So let's see. I mean, these are self-explanatory, but actually I want this. Because this is just some mark make paper, but it made for a perfect window. So I'll just cut one of these. Well, I don't think two are going to fit, but I'll cut two out. So you can draw your windows on or do what I'm doing. I do both. Sometimes I directly draw them on. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do one window for this. Let's see. So I just take my black. I don't have a very straight. Okay, that's it. Try not to smear the black because it's wet, but okay. And there's my cute little window. You can go in and doodle some more, but I think this one is plenty busy. So yeah. Let's do another one. Let's do, I even grabbed, I'm making a mess here, guys. I even grabbed some painty watercolor paper. So you could do, doodles on your watercolor paper like this one. Let's see what a roof would look like in this. And of course, like I said, you can also use just regular, like scrapbook paper, whatever. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this as the base. This one will be real wonky. And if my base is too busy, I don't really add a whole lot to it, which is fine. I like them all to be kind of different anyway. So what I plan on doing with these, if I can part with them and not hoard them forever, is take them and hand them out around town like I said on my last video and do that art abandonment project. I'm gonna make this roof just a hair smaller. It's a little too big for me. So you hand them out. You hand art around town. I can't think in like craft and talk. And it's anonymous, but there's a card, a little tag you put in with the art, and it links back to the Facebook group, and then the finder of the art can post and say they found your art, or they can give it away. It's just fun. I don't know. It's just miscellaneous art that people can find and enjoy. So that's what I was sort of making these for, but I say sorta because I know I'm gonna have a hard time parting with them. But guys, I don't need all these, do I? Tell me in the comments that I don't need to keep all these. Because I'll show you again at the end. I have probably like, what, I don't know, 15? All right. So I think that's going to be cute. I even brought out my cherries. That won't work, but because I was going to do a red one, but I don't have red painty paper at the moment. Thinking, yeah, that's it. That's the winner. It's like when you know, you know. That's why it's nice to have, like, you know, stockpile of this collage fodder. These pieces. All right. And then I did grab, I made these labels, these stamp labels with watercolor. I'll link that as well for you guys. It is in the Collage Fodder playlist. But I'm thinking about putting one on here. This yellow ties in. I don't know. Or I've got Inspire. It's so hard to decide. Or none at all. I don't know. Let's see. I just try all my little pieces and see if anything. I think that's totally cute, actually. I might do that. All right. I'll cut it out and be back. Okay. Normally I don't want stuff to be like super bumpy, bulky for a journal, but since I'm going to hand some of these out, I think I'm going to put these palms on here. What do you guys think? I think they're cute. I'm going to do it. Why not? Oh, nothing to lose here. Let's see. My yellow there. I don't know if I cut them long enough. Let's see. My hands are covered in craft. So let me know how your day is going, how your Christmas is going. I'm going to try to stop by my mom's later. Then I was also invited to a family friends for dinner. My brother is on a cruise with his family, so I won't be seeing them. But like I said a couple of videos ago or last, I don't know. We did Christmas like a week ago or something at his house. So actually I put this on kind of wonky, but I like it. I don't think I'm going to add a whole lot more to this one because it's got such a busy thing going on. I mean, if I had like something that made sense, but I don't know if I do. I could maybe put a button. I don't know. I kind of just think I'm going to leave it how it is. Other than I might just do a little bit of a border here with my gold. Just I don't know. I just feel like it. I love gold. But I don't know. Oh yeah, I mentioned putting one of these labels on. I don't know. I can't decide. I just want to put all the collage fodder on. No, it's too much. Okay. I just can't decide. This one makes the most sense color-wise. All right, I guess I'll put it on. I'm on the fence about it, but it's all right. I'll put it on. Why not? All right, so now you guys, because I will definitely do more of these on camera because they're addicting, but I don't want this video to be mega long, and I have things I gotta do, so I'm just gonna quick show you my other ones in case you want some ideas. Try to clean up my mess so you can see. All right, so those are today's. Here's one. I'm just gonna move them out so you can, and then you can screenshot or whatever you want to do. I don't know if you want to see them. This I just used a heart punch for the door. Rick rack, made some windows, a little cute door. Doodled on, oh, and this one I just doodled with my paint pens. I don't know. I can't find this punch to save my life, but I would love to do more of that because I think it's adorable. Here's examples of just the square chimney. I switched it up with a little bit of an oval there. You can also do mushroom shaped ones. I haven't been successful because I just kind of stink at cutting them, but that's another way to do it. Just some mark making, button for the door. This is just paint swatches on watercolor paper, the roof. And that's on, well, watercolor paper. It's nice and thick. And again, Collage Fodder, you get the drift. This is just 2 punched hearts, different sizes, another punched heart. You get the rest. I love the Collage Fodder as the chimney. I think it's so cute. Oh, here's just a little teeny mini one. This is with regular scrapbook paper, so you don't have to use, you know, the painty like I said. And here's half a punch of a flower, I think. So, yeah, guys. Oops, my beautiful's not wanting to stick. Well, either way, have a very Merry Christmas, you guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.